Welcome to the vlog. It's Sunday. I'm out of focus. There we go. I just watched Jamie Genevieve's vlog for the week where she's launched Vieve, and I told myself I wasn't going to buy anything because it really looked like cash beauty, but we all know I'm lying to myself, so I'm going to buy some things. I don't know, I'm just really like, it just all looks so cool, and I can't go to Centre Parks anymore, so I'm going to use the money I was going to pay for Centre Parks to pay for this and make myself feel better. So I'm getting a few lipsticks, a few lip liners, and the full palette. I'm so, I have to pay for shipping. I hate that. So I got 3 lip liners, 2 lipsticks, and the palette. It's a bit weird with nudes just because I'm brown and a lot of nude colours kind of match my skin tone, but I'm really excited about these. What have I been doing? It's Sunday. Nothing, which is the short answer, and I'm very glad for it. Woke up, edited the vlog. That's actually up now. And then me, my mum and my sister have just been watching a little Mix The Search. We really loved it. I'm not going to spoil it in case any of you guys watch it. Please ignore the hair. I went for a run this morning and it's all sweaty and gross, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. But you know what is going to make me feel way better? My new Strong and Sexy order. So excited. First off, can we appreciate the packaging, please? Like, so if you don't know, I don't know if I told you, but I bought the resistance bands, the glute resistance bands from Strong and Sexy, and I have their barbell pad, I have their lifting straps, I have their regular kind of lifting resistance bands. I have a lot from them. I've got the set of 3, which is light, medium and heavy. I just thought, why not just get them all? We've got them all then. I like colour coordinated and stuff, so I just thought they were going to come, like, you know, just have them hanging around. But they've come in these really lovely like pouches. Kind of wish they were all in one pouch, but I guess it's easier for them to ship and have them all separately. But as well as having this on the top and also the drawstring, it's also got a nice little kind of memento and like some really cool text on the bottom there telling you words of affirmation, and I really stand that. Let's go through them. So this is medium. We'll just go through this. But I've never had resistance bands like this ever. I've always seen them, and I've always kind of used the like elasticy ones in the gym. I don't know how you can tell like the durability of it like from the camera, but it's got the logo and that's the back. So it's got the stitching. Oh my god, this is medium. Oh my god, God knows what heavy's going to be like. Blimey now. And then on the inside, Lisa says, I don't know how well you can tell, but it's got like rubberness. Like, can you see these 2 tracks here? Well, they're rubber basically. But yeah, so they look really cool. I might actually try this out. 1 minute. I'm actually quite scared. Oh my god. Right, I don't know how high you meant to have it, but I'm telling you now, this is like, oh my gosh. Because you really got to keep your legs like out. Oh, jeez. Hello, happy Tuesday, guys. Thought that I would, I thought I saw someone in my viewfinder. Thought that I would show you what I'm making for lunch today. It's pretty simple, but I just kind of made it up on top of my head. So in the oven, we've got chicken, chipolatas and sweet potato. That should be done soon. And what I'm gonna do now is fry up some onions. Okie dokie, here's my pan. Let's turn this bad boy on. The camera's probably going to die now, but I'm just turning that on a relatively high heat. Put a bit of olive oil in there. And we're just going to fry away pretty much. I mean, it's a non-stick pan, so we don't really need that, but just whack the whole lot in. Hello. Sorry for the shaky camera work, but I'm on a drug at the minute and I couldn't help but show you how lush the sky looks. It's so incredible. I wasn't going to come down this route, but I wanted to see the sky, so I changed my route to come in. I'll show you. Look, come on. Come on. How gorgeous is that? My lovely running attire today. Look, it's even turning me pink. It's so incredible. Oh, anyway, that's enough of a rest for me. I just can't get over it. This is my view, guys, while I run. Hello guys, happy Wednesday. Don't know if I've actually, I was gonna say I don't know if I've actually spoke to you today, but I went for a run, didn't I? So I showed you the sunrise. Oh, it was gorgeous. It was beautiful. It was amazing. I have Cooper tea and some Krispy Kremes. My mum went to Tesco and we thank her for it. So I'm going to be scoffing these. I've got the Biscoff one and this chocolate nutty one. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for this. I'm so excited. It came earlier and I've already opened it, as you can see. But I just wanted to show you because it's just beautiful. This is the vibe. We get this lovely little card that says thanks for joining the Muse community and stuff. And then we have Vieve. Let me just take this out because it has my address on it. And this is basically the situation. So I got 3 lip liners, 2 lipsticks and the full palette. I'll open it and I'll show you. So this is the palette. I didn't need it at all. I wanted it. So that is basically what this purchase is. I'm just really excited. Anyway, so it's like a leather kind of book type thing and it's fairly big, size of my head. And are you ready? Oh, it's got the film on it still, so. But yeah, this is the palette. It's so beautiful. So what her idea was, the thing is meant to come fully back, the mirror, so that you can like use it like this and then turn it over and you've got that. And I am honestly so excited to play with it. I've not even swatched it or anything. I have done nothing. Oh my god, Jamie Genevieve replied to my DM. Not my DM, my Insta story. Oh my god. Davina! Jamie Genevieve replied to my Insta story. Oh my god! Oh, I'm gonna cry. Ah! My life is made. Anyway, huh? I made it! These are the lipsticks, so they come like this. And this is it, the shade coming in hot. The packaging, everything about it is just really cool. It's like that leather feel again. I'm really excited to use it. Hello, welcome to Thursday night. As you can tell, I have just filmed. This is the look. I did it with Jamie Genevieve's new collection and I am thoroughly impressed. I'm just tidying up at the moment. I decided to use a new backdrop, aka my curtains. So I thought I would give that a go and see how it went. And me and my mum are gonna watch the last episode of Downton Abbey. It's the end of an era. Disgraceful. What am I going to do with the rest of my day? The rest of my life? What am I going to do with the rest of my life now? Davina is making buttermilk chicken burgers. My back hurts. And I'm really excited. I hope your first week of lockdown went okay. We've only got 3 more to go. Hello, good morning. It is Saturday morning. It is Diwali, so happy Diwali to all of those celebrating out there. And if you don't know what it is, there's a few links in the description for you, so educate yourself. Just currently getting the porridge train underway. It's been a very busy few days and I've not vlogged it and I feel so bad. So Davina and Mummy have spent the past 2 days getting the house all like spick and span and like cooking and stuff, and it's done an amazing job. I'll show you all the food later. I've just been doing my little secret project I keep telling people about and not actually telling you what it is. But I can't tell you what it is yet, so I'm sorry. You're giving me the most big stress. I didn't get to say. Yes, but You, calm down. Have another coffee.
We have no coffee!
Why didn't you tell me?
Not just now!
Hey Siri, call Papa. No! Oh, I got a book, I think. I don't know where it's from. I can't remember all of it.
What's
this? That's a lot.
Present.
Wow! Just got some book mail. What have we got? Witches Steeped in Gold by, oh, how are you gonna say that? Is that Shannon? But is it like Irish?
Maybe.
I'm very sorry if I've said it wrong, but I think it's Shannon Smart. Oh, do you know what I love? Floppy paperbacks. I actually really love floppy paperbacks. Right, let me look at my information. Duology, Caribbean-inspired YA fantasy. Davina, how rude. And it comes out next April, and it retails at £8. I think I'll get on that so quick. Say cheese, Mummy. We have, oh, that wasn't a good idea. Okay, Google, volume 0.5. Does that work? Am I zoomed in? Anyway. I look like I look like a Lord Farquaad. Oh. Room.